The DMV, and when you factor in the wind, a bad situation is only made worse. The conditions have already led to power outages and downed trees, raising some serious safety concerns. Sarah Robertson spoke with people feeling the impact and has everything you need to know in order to stay safe.
Well, this is just the second time in recorded history that we've seen an extreme cold warning like this one for the DC area. But it's not just the frigid temperatures. A big threat is also the wind, gusts reaching up to 50 miles per hour in some locations, causing downed trees and power outages.
It's like a poof, and then orange light lit up.
Northern Virginia residents woke up in the dark this morning after strong winds brought down trees and power lines.
There were like 3 explosions that lit up our room, and then the power went out after that.
Russell Adams lives in the Lake Barcroft area. He was one of about 900 people who lost power once already today, stocking up on firewood, preparing for more possible outages.
It got cold probably within like 30, 45 minutes. Okay. It was pretty chilly.
And I looked in the backyard over here and it was total devastation.
In Annandale, Frank Van Balen surveyed the damage after a massive oak tree crashed into a neighbor's